Well guys, I think it's finally here. 64 degrees today in Ohio, a little bit rainy, a little wet, but I think the cool down's finally here to stay. Yesterday was 80 degrees, today high of 64 maybe, rain all day. We're gonna get some water in these rivers, but I had to come out, got the rain gear on, got the waders on. I'm gonna take a walk just because I have to. I caught a nice bass at the pond this morning on a spinner bait. I'm gonna throw the fluke, but I'm gonna walk up and back and maybe hit a couple spots around town, but I think I might get a couple bites today. We'll see. Come along with me. All right, here's first cast. I'll throw this little fluke here. No, that's not what I was hitting every time. I know what you're thinking. There we go. All right. Had a little guy there on the fluke. A tiny guy, but heck, first fish. Skunk off the board. Oh, shoot. Holy shit. Alright guys, just one fish so far. Man, it's coming down. My head's soaked, but I'm not wet, you know. I got the rain gear on, but caught one fish, a little tiny one, but a few bites. I think I had something little nibbling on my fluke, but I did see that big fish back there that just came shooting out from under that tree log, but there's another couple holes right up here with some current coming in. We're gonna check that out. Maybe something sitting in that current just waiting for something. How freaking shallow are they? There we go. Not a bad one, guys. Not a bad one. Peg right in the top lip. Not bad. Chunky, he's eating. Look at that belly. Heck yeah. Not a bad fish. Oh. Gotcha that time. Woo, that water going down my chest is cold. Another little one, but I will take it. I'll take this all day long. Well guys, a couple small fish. I feel like I've missed, I don't know, 5 or 6 decent fish. Probably not decent, probably little ones, I don't know. But definitely some fish up shallow. Eating this fluke. I haven't tried anything else. I thought about throwing a topwater, but I don't know. I feel pretty confident with these flukes lately, so I'm just gonna stick with it. I probably got another mile to walk. And we go up to my normal spot. My wife's gonna pick me up, so. But it's still pretty shallow compared to what it normally is, but I think Ohio's supposed to get about an inch and a half of rain in some spots, so I don't know if it's gonna take or whether it'll just run right off. Been pretty dry, real dry, so. Right underneath that log. Look at that. Come here, buddy. Can't get you. Dang, he swallowed that. Largemouth. Wow. Huh. Don't usually see that. Oh, I saw him come and eat that. That was cool. Little guy. Right in that brush pile. Oh, come here. That was cool. Oh man, he's got me around a tree. Fuck. I know there's a fish on there. Dang it, that's a nice fish too. How am I gonna get that out? Man, I just had a really good fish right by that root stump. He pulled me in. I had to break it off, unfortunately. I'm gonna have to get out of here soon because I think some thunderstorms are coming in. I don't want to be caught out here. I'll have to get up here and dip out real quick, I think. Man, I think that was a really good fish. I could not get him out of that root ball up there. I tried, but let's see if we can catch one more so out of here before I got to dip out. Rain stopped for a second, and now it's just pouring. Well guys, I just lost a really good fish. Pulled me under a root ball. I've been trying, I know there's a big fish in that hole back there. I've been trying to catch it for like 2 years, 3 years. Caught a decent one out of there a couple years ago, but I gotta get going. This rain's getting really heavy. Just looked at the radar and there's lots of yellow coming in. So yeah, I'm gonna make a couple more casts here. Maybe catch 1 or 2 more, and I'm getting out of here before something bad happens. Sorry. All right, love you, bye.